Okay, so this one is Boat Stone 650, which I am going to unbox. So let's open the box. Alright, so we have Bluetooth 4.2, 7 hours of battery life approx, IPX5 water resistant, and it also supports aux cable. And some paperwork is there, which gives details about the device itself and what is in package and some details on the functionality like power on off button, volume up, down, next track, previous track, play, pause. So this one is the actual device. It's of Boat, as you can see it here. It's blue color and design is like metal grill design, and this is tripod connector. Let's keep it aside for the time being, and let's see what else we have in the box. It says 1 year of warranty. Then we have an aux cable, and we also have a micro USB cable to charge. Alright, so let's power it on.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Let's connect it to the phone, and as you can see, light is blinking. So alright, let's pair it, and now light stopped blinking, so we are connected with the phone. Let's try to play some music.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I don't need
Increase the volume.
so you should bring all your
The volume now.
I swear that to all of y'all
Save the track to the next one. As you can see, track has changed. And let's switch to previous track. Let's pause and play.
Young money.
So yeah, that is the quick unboxing of the Boat Stone 650. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.